Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfiah Nurjusar. I'm presenter from Group 24 KKN MMK Wali Songo Semarang. In this activity, we were created by Nurses Uji Lestari and PH. On this occasion, I will present our article which contains about effort to improve environment care attitude and creative of elementary school students through used plastic bottle waste processing. We have 4 outlines that will be discussion. The first is the introduction, the second is the method, then the result and discussion, and the last is the conclusion. First, let's get to the introduction. Plastic waste is one of the biggest problems experienced by various countries in the world because it is difficult to decompose but present continues to increase. Therefore, it is necessary to make preventive measures so that the amount of plastic waste can be reduced. One strategy that can manage the plastic bottle waste is to educate children about the knowledge and attitude to reduce the use of plastic bottles, including the 3R concept: reduce, reuse, and recycle. The specific objectives of the activity are 1. Increasing environmental awareness and children's knowledge of the 3R concept in reducing the use of plastic drinking bottles, and 2. Increasing students' skill in reusing plastic drink bottles into useful products. Next is the method. We have 4 methods in the processing of making plastic bottle parts. The first is community service, carried out by grades 4, 5, and 6 at Istiman Stage Elementary School, Kelurahan Village, Jambu District, Semarang. And the second is material explanation. The tools and materials used are plastic bottles, markers, scissors, cutters, brush, and wood paint to color them. And the third is training in making art. The demonstration was carried out directly in front of the participants, each of which had been formed in group so that participants could observe directly. And the last is evaluation. The evaluation is carried out to assess the feasibility of the artwork from used plastic bottles. The criteria assessed are the function and beauty of the artwork. The next is the result and discussion. We have 3 pictures to explain how to process and result of making plastic bottles. But before that, I will explain our process in making this program. So, the purpose of this activity is to teach elementary school students the importance of keeping the environment clean while increasing their creativity. The activities carried out were providing knowledge and guidance to elementary school students about environmental hygiene, while increasing creative by making flower pots from plastic bottle waste. It's desirable to make pots from plastic bottle waste so the student can learn to conserve natural resources and also become creative individuals. As we can see in the first picture, we group students into several groups and provide equipment to make plastic bottle pots. Here we free them to imagine. For the second picture, the process of drying plastic. For the last picture, this is the work of plastic bottles that have been made by the student and they really enjoy the process. And the next discussion. The activity of processing plastic bottles waste into flowers point can generally be carried out according to the plan, and there are no obstacles. All step by step we do according to the product that has been made. There was high enthusiasm for students in participating in the activities, so these activities was successful. And the last discussion is the conclusion. Based on the response of elementary school students to the activity of processing waste plastic bottles into flower pots, it can be seen that they were very enthusiastic about participating in this activity. This activity has provided knowledge about plastic waste processing, increased environmental awareness, and increased the creativity of elementary school students. That's the explanation of our group articles. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.